Today we are cooking with Vivien. Vivien, can you show us the inside of a red pepper?
Yeah.
Yeah? Show me. Let me see. Oh, and what are those? Seeds. Do we eat the seeds?
No.
No. What about the green pepper? Can you show me the green pepper? Show Mommy the green pepper. Vivien, where's the green pepper? There it is. Does the green pepper have seeds inside? Yeah? Do we eat the seeds?
No.
No. You've got one on your chin though. What about a carrot? Can you show me the carrot? Where's the carrot, honey? There it is. Does a carrot have seeds?
No.
No, a carrot doesn't have seeds. Good. Can you show me the potato?
No.
There's a potato. That's a little potato. Does a potato... Does it smell good? Does a potato have seeds? Vivi? No. Okay, signing off. What about the garlic? Where's the garlic?
I don't know.
You don't know?
There it is.
There it is.
And I pick it.
That's an onion. Here, will you help Mommy with the garlic? Can you take it apart? Try to take off the skin. That's it. Take the skin off. What is that?
That's a pepper.
That's a pepper? That's an onion.
Pick it.
Pick the skin off, right? Do we eat the skin?
Yeah.
No, not an onion. Uh-oh. I'll go get it.